Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Nimble for social selling and prospecting, complete guide step by step clearly. To download Nimble for social selling and prospecting, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Nimble CRM and press enter. Click on the official Nimble website link from the search results. Once on the Nimble homepage, locate the Get Started or Sign Up button. Click on that button to proceed to the registration page. Fill in the required fields with your name and email address. Choose a strong password for your account. After filling in your details, click on the Create Account or Sign Up button to move forward. You will receive a confirmation email from Nimble. Check your email inbox for the confirmation email. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once confirmed, you will be redirected back to the Nimble website. Now, log in using your email and password. After logging in, you will be prompted to set up your profile. Follow the on-screen instructions to customize your profile according to your preferences. Next, navigate to the Download section of the website. Look for the option to download the Nimble app for either Windows or Mac. Click on the appropriate link to start the downloading process. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer. Double-click the file to initiate the installation process. Follow the installation prompts to install Nimble on your device. After installation is complete, you can launch the Nimble app. Enter your credentials to log in and start using Nimble for social selling and prospecting. Explore the various features available to maximize your selling strategy. You are now ready to harness the power of Nimble for your social selling efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.